Ebusia me mo akwa abadiba GH Politics Avenue Mesro say obe subscribe to our channel. Na obe leave nice comments under the comment section. Ebusia me didi say enoma koso. Mama imbo mbra yensem ni mu. Eye Addo Boahen case na ye nyinaa yenim say yatwe no e de na kwa akogina court no. Eye Addo Boahen appear in court na n'asɛm a ɔka nyinaa ne sɛ ɛyɛ judge na obedi n'asɛm no ama no no ofili sɛ nipa no yɛ bias nti nka mpanyinfoɔ anaa lawyers ne mboa na yɛnyi saa judge no mfiri n'asɛm na ɔmo bedi ne so na nka yɛmfa judges anaa yɛmfa atembuafo foforɔ mbra na ɔmo ndi n'asɛm no because ɔno ankasa ɔhwɛ a n'asɛm no ankasa no emu odu nti ɔhu ne sɛ judge bi a ɔbɛtena n'asɛm no so biara no ɔde ne bɛkɔ nsohwɛmu anaa ɔde ne bɛkɔ akɔpie mu wɔ nsawɔ mu nti no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛnyi saa judge no mfiri hɔ na wei na ayɛ asɛm a ɔkaeɛ yi ɛyɛ judge foɔ yi ɛbɔɔ n'asɛm no gu yi a ɛnɛ adane awerɛhoɔ kɛseɛ ɛde ama Addo Boahen. Moma yɛmbɔ mmra yɛn nsɛm no mu na yɛnkɔtie nsɛm a ɛkɔɔ so ɛne nsɛm a ɛkeka ho.
Yɛde na kɔgyina court 49 million. 49 million. What they call America dollar more $7 million. Na ono kra de ne man ye dangerous ne say. Unim say Ghana ye criminal act ye kasa obi awie ade a. Enya ade a wawie di enko na ye stealing. Enya enya ade a wawie ade akoto bibi nko na ye stealing. Eyo nkofo ntia se so ode akoto ade de bi ade ne kwa wandi nanum. Emra ne ntie se odi wanum nko a na ye stealing. Emra ne say ade na the left. Now for the koto right. Who dream be say ne ye ne dia no mfa ma no ne ye ne dia na na sa de kono nsan fa nko na chi a stealing muntie ne ye o say de ba o kire bu ti se de politician bi ko a Ghana for ya na gbogbo ne to social media ne ka we will not even interrogate what the law says ye empathy e be interrogate law no abrantie na signals boss na ye to no kwa todan ahe one ne yire na ono ani CCTV video ba ya ye che no friend yire fa we sha odi we esiesie no ono nko 47 what they call America dollar ma $7 million o ba Akuffo yes we yi sika na kokko bie private account account no ye check account no ono one personal name account no this sika na koto that is stealing and yes I make us is you are convicted no but I'm saying say the definition of stealing our law no you Ghana your criminal act in fact most of the countries yeah laws no if you Britain America the same definition na Ghana law no church be idea from Benkum koto nipa stealing because the only thing we hear our ready to prove stealing is say bo utiri mo po sa de no san fanko nti say attorney general adwuma no say obe prove say Abrantia ne fa na or voice can free signals account mu e de koto ne personal account mu in fact na wa body trimu poto be first can on some fan max signal so attorney general to me approve you no na say Abrantia ne to me prove is oye na dey say ode ko enye say ode wa no e ba be gina court aka say me ya ma dey say me dey to my accounts mu na me dey beautiful dey go for copy visa so ma me fa sika na to my accounts ma fa beautify my accounts so me wi na me dey ma dey amode wa dey abro say ya fa ya no keke nkoka who apply this at the bank? Who can so in any case, Ghana government GODC can from beautify accounts. It was on the sound store in the park quarter enfa. But so to me prove this one body tirimu po. So or the sikano koto the personal accounts mu. On some fan connect here Abrantia and Obeko. Including say sa Addo Boahen no all the way to Supreme Court. Sikedia hu mansunti. Or the anon some court Supreme Court. Asem ode ko enye se odi bimo o se judge na odi na asem no judge ne bias me se ntokwa na Kennedy Japan ko se ntokwa na fro wa na ato akeka case bi wo no manye easy o ntokwa kra abeko wan chen ansa na wa ba main case so no na wa so ehye ode ko Supreme Court enne se judge na oti ni case so high court no judge ne bias judge ne penasem as a judge wa ye na adwene da because to prove bias no mreni na also prove the judge no our interest in the case and interest in the case in yes onim party be ewo case They also proving say judge na say on pewasem eno ni interest no. And I judge no as onyaya na ke wodo akwakotum kra onyem prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. Any judge ni interest nti a substantial enough to prove bias. Of course, Supreme Court onim. Supreme Court by unanimous decision. Allah, me kind judgment na me ankasa me feel it. Yeah, what we say who ye here? Men san kotetam bom sebi, excuse my French. So who here? Abiye bo ho enkotetam bom. Who say do boy we people for kra minu. NDT for so minu tie o edu boy no. At the time na e fa no 2015. NDT for no kra minu no. Sa kwa we wayama. Omanya di mboni because Akuffo anyi o mo say dabro MPP ni MPP for so onya MPP ni biara church elder. Now who needs a case no kran the court of public opinion ya Ghana for na e wa bonten no komo bua for dada because Ghana for there omo nim processes so be pass prove beyond reasonable doubt asem ne ba na wakoto dan 11 na dan no to odi mu udi bi sa kwasho odi magana sa eno an normal prosecutor we wie or sign ko Supreme Court say my lord justices like say 5 no muti case so abrante ayi on pemasem enti case na mo ye no mo make sure say mo be ye case no na mo be we judge na free so because judge o man to aso no odi case na I mean guilty cry judge no will find me guilty asem o de call ye no and by unanimous decision 5-0 all the justices of the Supreme Court omotina case no so we say by unanimous decision all the justices almost Supreme Court omotina case no so mo nyina say frog matter ukwa hu ye hina wa begina ha no wo de ankone nko face we yi e no mbo ni case go as matter go and answer the issue question na da also no the charge na ye dey ato to go to court go back to the high court and go and answer the charge until by unanimous decision 5-0 all the justices of the Supreme Court. I'm trying to pull the case for you so that mom to me I can case the 5 justices in say bias be any ho the judge want to me prove is a judge near bias one kasa kwedu e wo so no preliminary issues kra no want to me prove ye o say yamra ameyi judge no because bias na yamma kwan say any frivolous issue any unsubstantiated issue be obi abetumi de aba be judge ya and you see any judge be ye nya judge be obedi case ntia ya san wo netiko a oko and I have the charge sheet of a year friend saying buffer stock man. Now let me play this also for you because in the case in there I critical. Yes, this is the buffer stock case. Graphic was reporting it today, but there's another case I'm person they compare Lady Bia he anyway be more for back 22 years. You saw the comfort and chua. You sentencing 6 months in jail. Adan akowia a year friends the provisions how to say a common stay 1,300 provisions 1,300 na kotum sa wo wo won say we mo obi ani wo be koje obi ani wo be mo kai say omo ye bench capital case no bench capital boss no o ka say omo nye plea deal because on the omo convicting is stealing on the omo man kwan no ntu ese ezika no in fact cases are saying attorney general filing nolly prosecute anyina omo nyina plea deal ene ene omo ye so there wafa 10 Ghana craft out there for 20 Ghana bra they aka no dey money ho say dey be o man moka because in fact and also the attorney general ya on share that your body because a lot of the cases are the court no e say be waste of resources because to me who pass say where I come ho ka akwa do obi be say me nana ene kana apututu bebre ne ye say sika enkenye say apututu na lawyers there e wo so obi edidi enti ene be drag case nkra ne ene case be check na mo say ka simplified issue say nipa na plead guilty ono aja atum say o ma anya bibi ye e na amata aka we aba e ka na ye 1 million mini 1 million is say aba me wo 880 Ghana cedis amede be mamo munji 80 Ghana cedis na ka kana e ka attorney general bebo in prosecuting the case no attorney general fancy one ma but ushe charge sheet na any some no I don't know but let me take you back and say na mama mapa for na because then we'll go deep into a auditor general report na tell me that say e ya bogu 18.8 billion Ghana cedis we a Ghana young man now dream or money that woman that you should be interested in this case because woman e baba betua Oma ebaba betua sa aka no Oma no nananom omo baba betua sa eka ya yedi enti wo hwe some of these cases are eduru ho a na unnecessarily party full soldiers titru near the politics the only war politics na the problem about no be any jai sa nyema no a ye hwe ni enjai sa nyema no because it doesn't serve any purpose. Say yeah, the case is not unnecessarily no. Yeah, the politics no so na sika no kwa emma. Inti ye redu mata be join here Philip Toku I join here dada. But look at this case. Any me ba be kan charge sheet in there. Where's nim sika na wo 61 million ti give to why they no quite small. By preliminary on the face of it, I'm not saying that whether or not the charges have been proved, but on the face of it, give to why they are not quite a small guest level. Because this one, you are talking about 61 million Ghana cedis. Give to why they are not 38 million Ghana cedis. And no, didn't you Ghana card could be a company near the transaction. On one a signature to that account. The bear man credit. Bear money dear dancing against the our court. The man is testifying that me ya not cover if I ask to me say okay, me am agree say me susu until there. Because the attorney general is here to prove the charges. But me say emremuno before attorney general be say wa prefer charges against obi na say when ya reasonable suspicion, reasonable grounds, because that's the law. Udru court and I will prove case now beyond reasonable doubt. But anymore we are no, you have to prove reasonable. Enti attorney general proving reasonable cause on fakwa do mo. What you saying? This is a charge sheet of papa or that photo no so. I mean reading a charge sheet no and children. But I say this is court. This is filed in the Superior Court of Judicature. When you put the yes formalities near there. Case number CR 0015 2026. Fresh case as a court no. All rise. This is the case a nipa 5 and omoya accused person including papa and the photo that one. Hanan Abdul Wahab Aludiba Pfizer Seidu Wuni Richard Samasante any Aludiba Foundation to the foundation also can Energy Partners Limited almost so I say do Boahen the also the company so can because of transfer it's kind of kogu in the company. Into the first offense, in fact, charges from the papa more than 15 charges yo. And I'm saying we are brand here now we are politicians some job any okuje to black wa muntie most no chena one hwe ya ebetomo man hwe ye na man tread cautiously niama amoye no mi ministries enye faako na ebeko nti munya careful nti first charge no say because Hanan no chese 39 years well I don't know so no ana sem ne can say 39 I doubt if is the one I think that okay yeah ono Hanan nti ono cry abrantie onu baby you see and this is what the sad thing about emrantie in politics 39 years you are being named in a scandal like that. Unless I'm confirmed, I don't know the defense that he will bring up in court there. But I say for that between the year February 2017 and February 2025 in Accra in Greater Accra region, within the jurisdiction of this court, you did while purporting to make payments from the funds of the National Food and Buffer Stock Company Limited to James Tieku Apau, trading under the name and style Sortina Enterprise. Did steal the amount of 50 million 879 Ghana cedis, which is 50,879,210 Ghana cedis from the buffer stock. That is first charge. First square do at the bono. Second charge, count 2. Defrauding, causing financial loss to the public, contrary to section 179A 3A of the Ghana Criminal Act. Causing financial loss, they are very difficult to prove, but you're the attorney general. But you almost say, Aludiba aya Hanan any Nadamfo Richard Sam 44 years that between January 2017 and 2025 in Greater Accra region or say did cause making payment from the funds of the Buffer Store Company to one Tieku Apau trading under Sultina Makandada or see and also they cause the loss when they have financial loss no first one we are 50 million second one the more we are you cause financial loss of 50,879,21. It appears to me so when as the Bawumia election petition duplication of charges quadruplication because stealing any causing financial loss and the same there now will require very different ingredients to prove case count 3 charge at also number 3 and we are the same Hanan and we do on something or say for that you with on this day and they take possession of and a friend saying did while trading under the name Fauza Hausa Enterprises on one so company be take possession of the sum of 13 million. He took the sum of 13,213,551.52 pesos in coins here. Knowing that the sum, knowing almost onimpass at the time of taking possession of that amount of money, it was he was taking it through criminal activity. Almost stealing. No more money. They are trying to use this charge to prove intent. At the money. And also money laundering, contrary to section 12C of Anti-Money Laundering Act. The charge at also number 4 charge. Yes, I know so I know say until I know the on Fauzia said Wuni 36 years that July 9, 2020 in Accra, Greater Accra region within the jurisdiction of this court, whilst trading under the name Fauzia Ventures, took possession. Just say onu wiye and an so also took possession to transfer command and also 500,000 an amount of 500,000 Ghana cedis only. And also no so omo kwedu omo de aba no omo say na so at the time no nimpa say a criminal activity because a money laundering and also this kind of man appeal also mu. Count number 5 charge at also 5 ni and also money laundering are the same. He files a win here, papa na yere, and I wait on the yere no nyina say omaka bom aye kanana into that they were signatures. I said then being signatures of the bank account of F.A. Fauza Ventures, the name and style under Pfizer said winning. Just a company near Nadia, but the two of them no and omaka did use the amount of 7,493,000 Ghana cedis. Bomu and the said account, knowing at the time of using the said money that the money was acquired through criminal activity into Chronosika and yes, on Akufo. This is 16,493,501.52 pesos, and also almost money laundering sika because a criminal activity and on charge number 6. Just say charges in the baby charge number 6. And we are then stealing and also yes charge number 7 defrauding by false pretense say kanana until no say so or no between 2018 and August 2019 in the Greater Accra region within the jurisdiction of this court as the proprietor of Aquani Enterprise. So almost another company so Aquani Enterprise and a personal trading name or say did by representation that you have supplied foodstuffs to the National Buffer Stock cause the said National Buffer Stock Company to part with money. Just say my many share that say I on the company must supply near Mama Buffer Stock so then and okay senti Buffer Stock ni jina no so and a man is 4 million I'll say 44 million again okay I mean kind of so that I don't put it 4,401,831 Ghana cedis into 4 million you know Buffer Stock sika count 8 and you are then dishonestly receiving so akwaje krone there count your friend saying count number okay we are count 8 now count 9 and we are then money laundering and also against yera hanano and also into against count 10 and also fraudulently causing financial loss to the Republic of Ghana count 11 charge number 11 and here intentionally causing financial loss to the Republic of Ghana charge number 12 count 12 or say stealing contrary to section 1241 of the Ghana Criminal Act count 13 charge number 13 crazy and also then a friend saying abetment and stealing just will be a supporting the young and omakwako we are there count number 14 charge 14 defrauding by false pretense and count number 15 charge no 15 number fraudulently causing financial loss to the Republic of Ghana and also Hanan we do no kwana yeren kan yes or no o ma Ghana eboka 5,495,748.36 Ghana cedis and also count number 16 yesu charge charge to 16 and a conspiracy to commit crime on you obi a kanana so omo ebedi bone and ampa bone no omudi charge number 17 and also a conspiracy to commit crime charge number 8 Jesus Attorney General I'm even tired for you charge number 18 intentional dissipation of public funds, and also wafa omani sika shada bontim pot of bo minica sanechere. Count number 19, charge etoso dunkuno, 90 stealing, contrary to section 124. Child number 20, charge etoso 20, and we are money laundering, and also sir 21, using office for profit. Ejumani adema an office, so say or the way ejuma edigu on one kasen bottom. Child number 22, using public office for profit, contrary to Ghana law, and also the Ghana or mine office ya dia man or buffer stock or the business, and all this can go on one kasan and crank about.
Ebusia meda wase sɛ wogye boy ɛhwɛ yɛn na wode tie yɛ wɔ GH Politics Avenue yɛbɛsa nso ahyia na sɛ yɛhyia ne yɛde nsɛm a ɛtwa gu wɔ ɔman yi mu nko ara na ɛbɛsom mo nsɛm no deɛ ɛbɛbobɔ aba na make sure to turn on your notification bell so that whenever a message is being uploaded in our studio with an immediate effect it can show on your screen na wo nso watumi anya bi akɔ akɔhwɛ yɛda mo ase bebree yɛbɛsa nso ahyia Awurade nka mo ho.